Welcome folks to another gameplay of Call of Duty. Today we're going to be trying something a little bit different. We're going to be more relaxed. I'm going to try to bring you guys a more relaxed, not so raging. I'm still going to be pissed off. I'm still going to be livid at some of the stuff that happens in this game, just because it's an online game. Things happen. It's not perfect. That's why there are always updates. So we're gonna do something a little bit different for you guys today. We're gonna try and bring you guys some content that's not so loud. It's very chill. You guys can sit back and enjoy. Hopefully it's something that you guys do enjoy, and I can continue bringing you content like this. Just because I think I would like to be in a more relaxed environment than rage-induced, especially if it's something pre-recorded. If it's something like this, I don't know what the difference would be if I were to do this online, but I would definitely love. What was that? R2. No, not that. This. Now get price. Okay, I see. I thought that guy on the right side was like some kind of advertisement. Get price, like he's some kind of item you can buy, which technically he is, because at the bottom there you can see it says Battle Pass. So there we go. I think I definitely want to do this from time to time, if not every time. Definitely not realism. Team deathmatch. Sure. Let's go down and see. So as you guys can see, I mainly only do team deathmatch stuff. I can do 10v10 mosh pit, but it's really hard. You usually get a group of people that don't know how to play that well. 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna stick to team deathmatch. Eddie Ed and I have been playing For Honor recently, and that's a really fun game. That's a really good game. I think it's the type of game where you put a lot of practice in and you become fairly good at, and it becomes rewarding. I mean, that's the whole thing about video games, right? It's the rewarding part of it. If you're playing a video game, well, there's a lot of partied up people here. Clans, and I'm not sure if they're clans or they just made up the name just like me. My name is MIT, and it was another way for me to spell mighty without actually having the ability to fully spell it out. Let's see. We can only do 5 words. MIGHT. See, that spells might. And it could possibly be I might do something and I might not do something. So today we're going to bring you guys some gameplay of Specialist here. And I don't think we get a lot of Specialist gameplay in Call of Duty. See, I hear a lot of SMGs going off here. A lot of SMGs going off. This is a smaller map, so of course people are going to want to use SMGs. Let's see if we can aid him on this side. All by helping people. Ooh. Wow, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be really hard. Wow, my accuracy was very slow right there. Good stuff.
Friendly UAV overhead.
There goes my food. Okay.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
I love when you hear that. Hold that real quick, buddy. Okay, we're not going there. Gotta watch behind us. Make sure no one's coming up from behind us. I haven't played this game in a little bit, so my accuracy and all of that stuff is a little bit rusty. Yeah, I hear someone. I think I definitely want to be here to support this guy. Oh, okay. That's funny. Okay, he's good there. Cool. See, the way I like to play, definitely move from spot to spot. There are gameplays that I absolutely there we go. Specialist achieved. Here, let's look at this open spot. There we go. I have on quick what do you call it? Where I'm really working with my teammates here. Here. Of course, yeah, the shotgun. Okay. So this is the first time I'm doing something like this, so it's going to be a little bit difficult. Oh, very nice. He's also using the RAM. Let's look at his attachments. I think the attachments I have on my RAM definitely lets me aim in a lot quicker.
Halfway there, keep fighting. Friendly VTOL on station for overhaul.
Definitely lets me aim in a little bit quicker than he does. And my teammate went down over here. You see, I try to keep an eye on the map as much as I can. I see. I'm with you. I think this game is officially taking off right here. Definitely want to watch our backs. So when someone says to be map aware, see, now we have an open spot back here where I was not looking at him. Oh man, I was looking at my map.
Enemy at the center.
Definitely. Oh, he was probably already damaged. He went down way too quickly. When someone says to be map aware, it definitely falls more in the category of looking at your map very quickly, looking at where your teammates are,
Enemy at the
and
office.
oh, he healed. Okay. I feel like I can't play that hard right now because I have to minimize my rage level. Wow. Okay. They're definitely catching up. I might have to turn it up for you guys a little bit.
Enemy at the office.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Okay, there we go. Alright, we're leading right now. Definitely want to keep.
Starfight, stay focused.
I want to go there,
Enemy at the cargo containers.
right? They're waiting. They're literally looking down that path. Okay. Definitely. Oh, it was almost like he threw a C4 on
Now that was a
himself.
fight. Solid work.
Yeah. Why are more people using the RAM now? It's weird. I think it's always funny when I get more kills than other people in the lobby when I use specialist. Basically, specialist lets you kill without getting score streaks. Instead, you get perks. Let's look at them. So for this specialist class, I come with these first 3 perks already, right? Perk 1, perk 2, perk 3 is what I get. So I have Hardline as one of my first 3 perks that I start the game with. It basically reduces your kill by 1 for any kind of kill streak or specialist streak. So on my first kill, I get EOD. At 3 kills, I get Ghost. At 5 kills, I become Cold-Blooded. And at 7 kills, I become Specialist on the right side over there. Grants most perks and weapon perks in the game. You literally become a walking tank, but with the same health. And I think that is so cool. I think that is crazy. The only thing that would make it overpowered, which I think they should consider, is they should definitely like boost a specialist health by like maybe 0.5. So if we start off with 150 health, 0.5 of that is 75 health, right? So your health becomes 225 instead of 150. So if you're walking around the corner and someone's deciding to snipe to camp around the corner, you know,
Team deathmatch.
you
Get your teeth out. Time to hunt.
you can survive that hit. I think where it's not fair is, yeah, I know this is a bad spot to be going just because,
Don't worry, I'll drive.
because inside, a lot of people can't watch their
Taking the
flames.
lead.
A lot of people can't. Just a couple bullets. Let's put that in you. Keep you from being so loud. Get in there. That is so rage-inducing. Why? Why can I not jump through a window when I'm healing myself? That just doesn't make any sense. I don't get that. Call of Duty is not staying in a spot for too long. So this guy's probably going around the map collecting kills. Who was that? His name is Goonies. And okay, I thought that was one of my teammates. Okay, let's get inside. Let's go ahead and try to do some damage. Wow, blocked by a wall. Okay. The thing about specialist is I don't know why people do that. I don't know why people write him on the map. Well, maybe he has an objective. Maybe he's actually trying to get around the map to a good spot. Which that's what I use specialist the machines or the vehicles for. Excuse my non-speaking. I can't speak English while playing Call of Duty self. Let me pull stuff for this guy. I shouldn't stay here for too long. Who's shooting?
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Yep, someone was definitely just shooting at me. It's probably up there somewhere. Where you at, guy? Where you at, guy?
Counter UAV active.
Grabbing.
Cargo containers.
Okay. I'm gonna keep it down low. Okay, someone just went down over there. I don't know where he got hit from.
Friendly cluster strike inbound.
There we go. That'll back him up a little bit. Unless he's crazy and just comes at me anyway.
Enemy at the compound.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Where are you shooting at, guy? Wow. He definitely just gave our position away. I have no idea why he was doing that. This is a very slow starting game for me. Oh. I don't know when these doors are closed. I mean...
You've lost the lead.
There we go.
Got control.
I think it's time for me to turn up a little bit, guys. What do you think? Hopefully my teammate...
We're losing control. Enemy care package inbound. Taking effective fire. Planting explosive. I'm shot.
That was... Okay. I'm getting
Enemy
annoyed
UAV overhead.
at every death
Enemy at the pellet stop.
that I'm receiving.
We're in control.
Wow, look at that. Good job, guy.
Setting the charge.
We're in the lead. Friendly UAV online.
Let's close this.
We're there. Keep fighting.
I knew he was there. Wow.
Care package inbound.
Oh, it was a different guy. So, I see exactly where they're all at. You know, accuracy was absolutely
Enemy personal
atrocious.
radar in the air.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
Okay.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I feel thrown off right now because I usually don't play with the mic.
That one's dead.
You got me over there? Cool.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Here we go.
Friendly counter UAV active.
As you guys can see, I got shot through the wall. That didn't make any sense. I was already in the room, but that's okay. That's okay. Right now. There we go. It was just a prediction. I figured he would come through there. Where else would he go?
Enemy at the pellet stop.
Enemy care package inbound.
That's not even fun. That's not even fun. It's not even fun. I know he did the same thing I did, but you know what? We're gonna leave that spot. We're gonna go somewhere else. He seems he wants to play tit for tat, and I don't have time for that.
We're losing
So
control. Enemy cruise missile incoming.
let's lay down.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that didn't make any sense. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I can't keep going. Let's make sure this guy isn't. That's enough of that.
Enemy in the courtyard.
I've had enough. I feel like I've had enough. They have really good accuracy and stuff, but I'm not really down for that right now. Those are the kind of people I call losers. Oh, come on. I just saw him.
Online.
Wow. That was a hard lost game.
Hard day, but we'll come back stronger.
Yeah, I don't feel like I'm really playing like myself right now because I am, the mic is really close to me and I really play at a very high anxious level. So when I go down, I can express myself, you know, I can be loud, I can be tense, I can make really crazy sounds, but I want to bring you guys a more relaxed type of gameplay. So this is different, this is hard. I can't be as explosive as I want to be, but that's okay, we'll work with it. We'll see what we can get out of it. It sounds like I'm making up an excuse, but I don't know. I'll switch it up for a couple of spawns, like when, you know, at some point in the game, I'll go back to my old ways and see if I can amp it up again, you know, really bring that heat so you guys can get an understanding of what I mean. Like I get really tense. If you were to like touch any part of me, let's not go there. If you were to like, you know, touch my arm or like put your hand on my back, you would feel how tense my body is. Let's go with specialist again. See what we can do here.
Team deathmatch. You are clear to engage all threats.
And no, I usually don't play this way, guys. Okay, there's another guy. He probably thinks guess I'm gonna be camping the whole game. I don't camp, guy.
Setting explosive.
Enemy UAV overhead.
There's a guy up there. I'm being really cautious about him. Him right there. Him right there.
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Yep. Yep, I'm done with that.
Friendly UAV online.
I wish he would poke his head out. I wish he would poke his head out. He's camping right now so hard. And if you guys... Excuse me. I'm tired of that crap. I'm tired of that crap. Freaking loser.
Enemy care package inbound. Halfway there, step it up. Enemy cruise missile incoming. Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Oh my goodness. I think I'm just not gonna talk because
Enemy care package inbound.
this is really annoying. Let's do this. How did he end up there? I have a teammate sitting at that very... Oh my gosh.
Friendly UAV online.
Here we go. Okay.
Enemy Wilson. Allied cluster.
Right. That's why I love C-Force.
Friendly precision.
You know, that's one thing I can't stand is people that play,
Enemy in the cargo containers.
there's definitely people that like to
Online.
hide behind stuff. I guess it's more understandable if you have an LMG,
This fight, get your
but
heads
it just
in the game.
I stay there for way too long. Way too long. I don't know what is going on.
Almost the enemy. Bastard. Enemy counter UAV online.
Wow, that was not fun
That's it, we've lost the objective. I expect better.
at all.
Dude, I don't get a teammate just camps back in the spawn. That's why this team's up all the time. Not you. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to all teammates. Yeah.
Oh, what a difficult match. Thanks for sticking around with it, folks. Join me next time on another 30 minutes of gameplay. Hopefully it's better. We'll see how that goes. Until next time.